What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this video we'll be finding the exponential indefinite integral of the following function here. If you think you can find this question, you can find the answer for this question. In fact, you can pause this video, solve it, and let's see if you're gonna find the very same answer that you're gonna find at the end of this video. Right, if you are new on this channel, if you're first time watching a video on this channel, I would advise you to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, because I'm going to upload tons and tons of videos based on mathematics, and also I'm going to do previous question papers. If you want to watch other videos that I've already done on other chapters, you can go to the playlist section. I've grouped all the videos according to the chapters and topics. All right, let's start. So how are you going to do this one here? Now, as you can see, we still have a coefficient here. So before we do it though, how about you write the formula here? So remember, when you find the integral of the function, for example, we have e here, and then we have n, and we have x, right? Dx. All right, so the formula goes like this. So you're gonna have y is equaling to e to the power of nx divided by n multiplied by natural log, then e plus c. Remember guys, it's the same as the formula for base of a or 3. This time we just put e here so that we can able to substitute nicely there. Alright, so if you're not so sure or you want to understand better about these formulas, go to this video here. I explain the applications of these formulas here. Okay, now let's continue. Let's start. Now, as you can see, if you find the integral here, we do have a coefficient. So our coefficient here is 2. So we're going to multiply by the coefficient of the function. Now, you're gonna do the following. Now you're gonna have e as your base, and then you have your n, which is -1 multiplied by x. There we go. Divide by. Now don't forget your n is -1 here. It's gonna be minus, and then multiplied by natural log. Then what? Then e. Now I need to remind you guys from plus c. We're not done, by the way. Plus c. So this c represents the constant, and also indicates that we are differentiating the indefinite integrals, right? All right. So now what is it that you need to do is to simplify this one here further. Okay, we have 2 here, and then remember, I have to remind you guys, natural log e is supposed to give us what? Natural log e, if you still remember, it's supposed to give us 1. So we're gonna have 1. This is gonna be -1, so this is gonna be negative. It's gonna be -1 dividing e to the power of -x. So this is gonna be negative like that. It's gonna be like that, plus c. So as you can see, this is your final answer. I hope you managed to understand this one. It was not tricky. It's just that you need to know that n here, this n, is actually -1, since this is negative. But other than that, nothing changes here except for this sign here. Remember, from this one here, it's gonna be -1, as you can see here, dividing e to the power of -x, so it's gonna be negative there. All right, so I hope you guys understood this question here. If it so happened that you didn't understand, you can rewatch again. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. Share this video to your friends. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video, you can able to watch that video immediately. Guys, at the end of this video, there is a playlist of these videos where I find the indefinite integrals of exponential functions. So if you don't understand or you want to watch them in a sequence order, you can go and watch those. You can click on that playlist on your left there. Thank you very much guys for watching. Till next time, cheers.